In this video, I'll be telling you everything you need to know about mSpy. I'll share my experience with it, its features, as well as things that I think they need to improve on. But before we get into that, if at any point you're interested in mSpy, then please click the link in the description below to get the best price available. Alright, let's get started. mSpy is used for smartphone monitoring, from social media and text and emails. mSpy helps parents track their children's internet activity with the wide access to multiple platforms such as WhatsApp, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. mSpy also allows users to monitor and manage online activities by having access to features such as browser history, bookmarks, and Wi-Fi networks. mSpy does not only cover those important areas, but it's also usable for finding out who your children are communicating to. mSpy can access call logs, contacts, calendars, emails, and text messages, and even our very own photo gallery. Not only does it keep track of photos, it also keeps track of location and even gives you the ability to see what your children are typing. With all these features, you might wonder if mSpy is going too far when it comes to information access. Now, what I like about mSpy is that even though it's a monitoring tool, it still values the privacy of its users. It uses the latest encryption protocols for data storage, and even mSpy's own team do not have access to data monitored by software. Only us, the users. Not only does mSpy value privacy, but it also values accessibility. mSpy is available worldwide and can be accessed by both Android and iOS users. So you don't have to change your device just to have mSpy become a part of your daily routine. It perfectly works on iOS device, and monitoring process has been smooth, hassle-free. So mSpy promises the privacy and accessibility we need. Then how do we get started? It's simple. I just searched for mSpy in my app store, subscribed to one of the plans, and I got my account details in my email. Once you're done, I opened my mSpy login page and entered my credentials. After making my account, I found mSpy easy to use and it worked as promised. However, I wish they'd update the info for iOS more often. On Android, updates happen every 5 to 30 minutes, but on iOS, it's every 24 hours. This is a big time gap, means I miss a lot of updates since I'm using iOS. Now let's talk about pricing. mSpy offers a subscription plan that gets cheaper as the subscription time gets longer. For a month-long subscription, you get to subscribe for $48.99. For a 3-month subscription, you'll be paying $27.99 a month. And if you plan to subscribe for a whole year, then you'll only pay $11.66 a month. If you ever wish to upgrade your plan for the use of the whole family, then you could upgrade it at any time using mSpy account. And if you want to save more on your subscription, watch out every month as mSpy releases new discount coupons for you to use. So, is mSpy really worth it? Personally, I would recommend mSpy, especially if your priority is internet safety for your family. It offers a lot of features, has access to a lot of social media platforms, and is not only limited to internet activities, as it could also monitor calls and text messages. If you're looking for a monitoring tool that will help make your family, especially your kids, safe and secure, then you might want to check out mSpy now. Don't forget to click the link in the description below to get the best price available. I hope this review helped you learn everything you need about mSpy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.